Hero experiment. It's called a pH experiment with lemon juice. Okay?
Try them.
You want to try the lemon? Okay. Open your mouth. One of this into the cup. Good job. We have turmeric in water, we have washing powder in water, and we have lemon juice just by. Hi friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Simi and today I'm here with
Hero.
That's right, I'm here with Mr. Hero and today we brought you guys a very cool experiment. It's called a pH experiment with lemon juice. Hero, can you tell everyone what ingredients we have today?
Try them.
You want to try the lemon? Okay. Open your mouth. Okay, Hero. Can you tell them what ingredients we have today? Hero, what is this?
Body.
This is water. And what is this?
Ear taking out disgusting.
Ear taking out disgusting. They're called Q-tips. Okay? Yes. And what is this?
Lemon.
This is lemon juice. You know what this is?
Pineapple.
This is turmeric. And yes. And over here we have washing powder.
Washing powder laundry.
That's right. It's for the laundry. And we also have a
Paintbrush.
paintbrush. And how many cups do we have?
1, 2, 3.
Yay! And how many papers do we have?
1, 2.
Good job. Give me a high five. So that's all the ingredients you need for today's experiment. So first, we're going to begin off with mixing some turmeric and water into a cup. Here, can you do that? Can you put a spoon of this into the cup? Good job. Okay, let's not spill it. Now we need to put some water in there.
Let's see what's gonna happen.
What's gonna happen? Now, Hero, can you take some of the white powder and put it into this cup? This white one. Don't mix it, just use the white one. Put it into this cup. Good job. Now, we're gonna put some water in here. Okay, now we're gonna put this aside. And finally, we're gonna squeeze some lemon juice into the empty cup. Here you go. Can you put a little bit more?
Hooray!
Okay, good job.
Try some.
You wanna try some more?
Just the floor.
Okay, so now we have turmeric in water, we have washing powder in water, and we have lemon juice just by itself. Now Hero, can you take this paintbrush and paint your whole entire piece of paper with this? Okay, now we're gonna paint the whole entire paper. And now I'm gonna do the same thing with mine. Here, what are you gonna draw? Tell everyone. Okay. No, that's yours. This one's yours. And this one's mine. Now. Okay, Hero. Now you're gonna take this Q-tip and you're gonna draw whatever you want using the washing powder. And if you make a mistake, you're gonna erase it with the lemon juice. So draw something. So dip your Q-tip and draw something. Now, if you make a mistake, you're gonna dip it into the lemon juice and erase it.
Hooray!
Look, I erased it. Here, I wrote your name on the paper. Look, do you like it? Thanks for joining us on our pH experiment. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more content. Bye!
Bye!
See you next time.
Bye!
Mwah.